Shanti. 27th December 2020, Bab Dada Avyakt Murli, revised date 31st December 1986. In the essence, Baba says, the way to make your past, present and future elevated. Om Shanti. Today, the great-great-grandfather Brahma and God, the Father Shiva, are giving greetings of blessing from their hearts to their sweet and extremely lovely children. Bab Dada knows how elevated and great each and every long lost and now found child is. The greatness and purity of every child continue to reach the Father number-wise. Today, all of you have especially come to celebrate the new year with zeal and enthusiasm. In order to celebrate, people of the world ignite unused lamps or candles. They celebrate by igniting them, whereas Bab Dada is celebrating the new year with the countless lamps who are already ignited. He does not light those who have been extinguished or blow out those who are ignited. No one except the Father and you children can celebrate the new year in this way, in a gathering of hundreds and thousands of such ignited spiritual lights. This is such a beautiful scene of the spiritual gathering of sparkling lamps. Each one's spiritual lamp is sparkling constantly and steadily. One Baba in each one's mind is enabling all you spiritual lamps to sparkle. You have the one world, you have the one thought, and you have a constant and stable stage. This is what it means to celebrate. This is what it means to become that and make others that. At this time, it is the confluence of both farewell, Vidai, and greetings, Badhai. It is farewell to the old and greetings to the new. All of you come here at this confluence. Therefore, congratulations for bidding farewell to your old thoughts and sanskars, and also congratulations for flying with a new zeal and enthusiasm. The present moment will become the past after a short time. The year that you are now passing through will become the past after midnight. The moment now, today, is called the present, and tomorrow is the future. The play of the past, present and future continues to take place. Use all these three words in this new year in a new way. How? Let the past become the past by always passing with honors. Of course, it will be past is past, but how are you going to pass through it? You say that the time passed by, that this scene passed by. However, did you pass through that whilst passing with honors? You made the past become the past. But did you pass through the past in such an elevated way that as soon as you remember the past, the words Wah, Wah emerge from your heart? Did you make the past become the past in such a way that others can learn a lesson from your story of the past? Let your past become the form of a memorial. Let it become a devotional song, Kirtan. That is, let it be worth singing praise of, just as devotees on the path of devotion continue to sing devotional songs of your actions. The songs of praise of your actions are even now creating the livelihoods of many souls. In this new year, let every thought and every moment become the past in this way. Do you understand what you have to do? Now, come into the present. Make the present so practical that everyone receives one present gift, or rather from you special souls, at every present moment and thought. When do people experience the most happiness? When they receive a present from someone. No matter how peaceless, sorrowful, or distressed they may be, when they are given a present with love, there is a wave of happiness at that moment. Not a superficial present, but a present given from the heart. Everyone always considers a present to be a symbol of love. The value of anything given as a present is in the love with which it is given, not in the thing itself. Therefore, continue to make progress with the method of giving presents. Do you understand? Is this easy or difficult? Your treasure store is full, is it not? Or is it that by giving presents, your treasure store would be reduced? You have accumulated some stock, have you not? Simply give presents of 1 second's drishti with love, cooperation with love, feelings of love, sweet words, and elevated thoughts from your heart. These presents are enough. Nowadays, the devotees of you Brahmin souls, those who are in connection and relationship with you, and distressed souls all need these presents, not any other presents. You have a stock of these, do you not? So, become bestowers as every present moment changes into the past, and all types of souls will then continue to sing songs of your praise from their hearts. Acha, what will you do in the future? Everyone asks you. Ultimately, what is the future? Reveal the future through your features. Let your features create the future. What will the future be like? What will people's eyes be like in the future? What will smiles be like in the future? What will relationships be like in the future? What will life be like in the future? Let your features grant a vision of all of these things. Let your drishti clearly reveal the world of the future. Let the question, what will happen, finish and change into, it will be like this. Let the word, how, change into like this. In the future, there are deities. The sanskars of the deities means the sanskars of a bestower. The sanskars of a bestower means the sanskars of one with a crown and seated on a throne. Let whoever sees you experience your crown and throne. Which crown? The crown of light that enables you to remain constantly light. Let the signs of a spiritual intoxication and a carefree stage always be experienced from your actions and words. The sign of being seated on a throne is to be carefree and to have intoxication. The intoxication of having victory guaranteed and a carefree stage is the sign of a soul who is seated on the Father's heart throne. Let Whoever comes experience you being seated on the hearth throne and your stage of wearing a crown. This is what it means to reveal the future through your futures, through your features. Celebrate the new year in this way. That is, become this and make others the same too. Do you understand what you have to do in the new year? In 3 words, become Master Trimurti, Master Trikaladarshi and Triloki Nath. Everyone is now wondering, what are we going to do now? Through your every step, whether it is through remembrance or service, continue to attain success in all 3 ways. You have a lot of zeal and enthusiasm for the new year, do you not? Double foreigners have double enthusiasm. How many facilities will you use to celebrate the new year? Those people use perishable facilities and have temporary entertainment. One moment they will light a candle and the next moment they will blow it out. However, Bap Dada is eternally celebrating with you children who attain eternal success. What will all of you also do? Cut a cake, light candles, sing songs and clap. Do this a lot too. You may do this. However, Bap Dada always gives the eternal children imperishable congratulations and shows you a method to make you imperishable. Seeing you celebrate in the corporeal world with physical festivities, Bap Dada is also pleased because it is only once in the whole cycle that you find such a beautiful family where everyone in the whole family of a gathering of hundreds and thousands is wearing a crown and seated on a throne. Therefore, dance, sing and eat toli as much as you want. The father is pleased just to see the children and to take the fragrance of it all. What songs are playing in each one's mind? Songs of happiness are playing. Always sing songs of Wah, Wah, Wah Baba, Wah my fortune, Wah my sweet family, Wah the beautiful time of the elevated conference age. Every action is Wah, Wah. Continue to sing songs of Wah, Wah. Today, Bap Dada was smiling because some children, instead of singing songs of Wah, Wah, were singing other songs. They were songs of just 2 words. Do you know what they were? This year, do not sing songs of those 2 words. Those 2 words are why and I. Generally, whenever Bap Dada watches the TV of the children, instead of them saying Wah Wah, the children are saying why. So, instead of why, say Wah Wah, and instead of I, say Baba Baba. Do you understand? Whoever you are, whatever you are like, Bap Dada loves you, and this is why all of you come running to meet Baba with love. At Amrit Vela, all the children always sing the song, Lovely Baba, Sweet Baba, and in return, Bap Dada sings the song, Lovely children, Acha. In fact, this year is the year to learn the lesson of becoming detached and loving. Nevertheless, the children's loving invocation of the Father brings him from the Nyari, detached, unique world into the Pyari, loving world. There is no need to consider all of these things in the subtle form. Meeting in the subtle form, Baba gives all the unlimited children the feeling of an unlimited meeting at the one time. With the physical method, there are still limits. What do the children want after all? Murli and Drishti. Even when Baba is speaking the Murli, that too is a meeting. Whether Baba speaks to individuals or to everyone together, Baba is going to say the same thing. Whatever Baba says to the gathering, he will say the same to individuals. Nevertheless, you double foreigners have been given the first chance. The children of Bharat are waiting for the 18th of January, whereas you have taken the first chance. Acha, children have come from 35 or 36 countries. This is also the 36 varieties of bhog. There is a memorial of the number 36. So, there are at least 36 varieties. Bab Dada is pleased to see the zeal and enthusiasm that you children have for service. All of you use your body, mind, wealth and time for service with love and courage. Therefore, Bab Dada is giving you multi-million-fold congratulations for that. Whether you are physically in front of Baba or whether you are present in the subtle form, Bab Dada is giving all the children congratulations for being absorbed in service with so much love. You became cooperative and made others cooperative. Therefore, double congratulations for being cooperative and making others cooperative. The garland of the children news of service filled with zeal and enthusiasm, and also their New Year cards filled with zeal and enthusiasm has been put around Bab Dada's neck. Whoever sent the cards, in return for those cards, Bab Dada gives both regard and love. Baba is pleased to hear all the news. Whether you served in an incognito way or in a visible way, there is always success in the service of revealing the Father. The result of serving with love, to become cooperative souls and to come close in the Father's task is a sign of success. Those who are cooperative today and tomorrow will become yogi. So, to those who have done the special service of making souls everywhere cooperative, Bab Dada gives the blessing. May you be an eternal embodiment of success. Acha. When the number of your subjects, those who are cooperative and are in a relationship with you, increase, then according to that increases, the method also has to change. Does it not? You are happy, are you not? Let it increase. Acha. To those who are constantly loving and cooperative and who make others cooperative, to those who always receive greetings, to those who make every second and every thought the most elevated of all and worthy of praise, to those who constantly become bestowers and give others love and cooperation, to such elevated, great, fortunate souls, Bab Dada's love and remembrance and good night. Spiritual children, in return to the spiritual father, says, good morning, namaste, namaste, namaste. Avyakt Bab Dada speaking to teachers on foreign service. Bab Dada always makes the instrument server teachers move forward with the blessing. May you be equal. Bagdada always thinks of all the Pandavas and Shaktis, whatever service they are instrument for, as those who are multi-million times fortunate, elevated souls. You definitely specially experience the visible fruit of service in the form of happiness and power. Now, to the extent that you yourselves become powerful lighthouses and might houses and do service, so the flag of revelation will accordingly be hosted everywhere. Each instrument server has to pay special attention to two things for success in service. 1. Always have the unity of harmonizing sanskar, for this speciality has to be visible in every place. Second, first of all, each of you instrument servers has to give these two certificates to yourselves. 1. Unity. 2. Contentment. Sanskars are always different and will always be different. But it depends on you yourself whether there is a conflict of sanskars or whether you step away and keep yourself safe. When something happens, if one person's sanskars are like that, then the other person should not clap, not respond. Whether the other person changes or not, you can change, can you not? If each one of you changes yourself and imbibes the power to accommodate, then the sanskar of the other person will definitely cool down. So, always connect with one another with feelings of love and greatness, because the instrument servers are the mirror of the Father's image. So, whatever is your practical life becomes a mirror of the Father's image, and so always be the mirror of a life in which the Father is visible as He is and what He is. Otherwise, however, you are all making very good effort and you also have good courage. You have good enthusiasm for the expansion of service and expansion of therefore taking place. Service is good, but now, in order to reveal the Father, always show the proof of your practical lives, so that everyone says the same thing, that all of you are the same when it comes to the inculcating knowledge, and that you are also number one in harmonizing sanskars. It isn't that the teachers of India are different from the teachers abroad. All are the same. It is just that you are all instruments for service and are cooperating in the task of establishment. You are also giving your cooperation now, and so you automatically have to play a special part in everything. In fact, Bap Dada and the instrument souls do not see any difference in those from abroad or those here. Wherever there is a need for someone's speciality, then it doesn't matter who it is. There is benefit from that one's speciality. To give regard to one another is a code of conduct of the Brahmin clan. Receive love and give regard. Importance is given to a person's speciality rather than to the person. Acha. Blessing. May you be an invaluable jewel who spends every second and every thought in an invaluable way. May you be an invaluable jewel who spends every second and every thought in an invaluable way. Even 1 second of the conference age has great value. Just as you receive 100,000 in return for one, in the same way, if even 1 second is wasted, then 100,000 are wasted. So, pay this much attention and finish all carelessness. There is at present no one to account for anything, but after some time there will be repentance, because this time has a lot of value. Those who use their every second and every thought in an invaluable way become invaluable jewels. Slogan: those who are always Yog experience receiving cooperation and become victorious jewels. Those who are always Yog experience receiving cooperation and become victorious jewels. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba. Thank you.